Hi everyone. Today I'm going to introduce Memory to Skill, a new MemSearch feature for distilling and evolving agent skills. MemSearch is an open-source memory framework for AI agents. It gives them long-term memory and lets them share it across different agent platforms. Memory to Skill connects that memory layer with reusable skills. First, a bit of background. Agent skills are becoming a common standard across the agent ecosystem. Progressive disclosure makes them a natural fit for agents. It reduces token usage and avoids filling the context window, while still letting agents discover and load advanced capabilities when needed. But the relationship between skills and memory still deserves more thought. The way agents discover and use skills is already fairly well established. Each skill is defined in a skill.md file. The agent sees its description first, then decides whether it needs to read the full instructions. What's less mature is the workflow for creating, refining, and evolving skills. Today, users often write a long prompt, ask an agent to create a skill, then test, revise, and repeat that cycle before the result becomes genuinely useful in real work. That makes a repeatable workflow especially valuable. So here's the question. Once MemSearch has collected enough history, can it identify recurring workflows in past user-agent interactions, turn them into new skills, and use new evidence to improve existing candidates over time? That's exactly what Memory to Skill is designed to do. It should learn from outcomes, not just repeated prompts. This diagram shows how it works. MemSearch stores conversation journals as Markdown files in the project's memory directory. A background distillation pass scans those journals for recurring workflows, compares related examples, and turns the strongest patterns into reusable skill candidates for review. The journal keeps the source context available for later review. Distilled skills are first saved as candidates. They can be created on demand by the agent or generated by the optional background pass. As new memory is added, MemSearch can revise, improve, and consolidate existing candidates. This keeps the candidate set current as work changes. Because these candidates are generated by an agent or LLM, the first version may not be the best one. A person reviews each candidate and decides whether to install it into the appropriate agent skill directory. Overall, the workflow has two steps. First, MemSearch finds reusable patterns in memory and saves them as candidate skills. Second, the user reviews the candidates, checks their details, and chooses which ones to install. Here, I'm invoking Memory to Skill and confirming the installation directory. The review step keeps control with the user before anything is installed. Let's look at a real example. Before we start, make sure MemSearch is installed. The installation steps are different for Claude Code and Codex, so follow the instructions for the agent you use. After installing MemSearch, I'll use Codex for this demo. I invoke the Memory Config skill to make sure MemSearch is up to date and check whether Memory to Skill is enabled. The check is complete and Memory to Skill is ready. New users can ask their agent to check the setup and enable it. Then they can continue using their agent normally. MemSearch uses hooks to summarize your conversations with the agent and save them as journals in the project's memory directory. Open a journal to see the request, the work codex completed, and the context that led to the result. That record gives later analysis a reliable starting point. Once Memory to Skill is enabled, normal agent use triggers the hook, which checks whether a background distillation pass is due. Any generated candidates are saved in the skill candidates directory shown here. Here, MemSearch has mined 2 candidate skills from my everyday Codex usage. One captures the release workflow for MemSearch across several platforms. The other reviews recent GitHub PRs and issues, groups related items, and suggests what the team should do next. Together, they show how repeated work becomes reusable guidance. For example, in my June 12th journal, I asked Codex to help with a release, and similar work appears in other journals. Once the pattern reaches the threshold, the default is 3 occurrences. MemSearch can distill it into a candidate skill. These 2 skills are still only candidates. To review and install them, I invoke memory to skill and ask whether any candidates are ready to install. This step checks each candidate's status and revision history, then shows me the results. It also asks me to confirm the installation path because different agents use different skill directories. Some skills belong in a global directory, others should be installed only for the current project. The system finds 2 candidates ready to install, but I haven't configured a default path. After reviewing their revision history and scope, I install both in the project-level skill directory. It then recommends starting a new codex session. This keeps the new skills available in the right workspace. After restarting Codex, I use Resume to reopen the previous session. The newly installed skills are now available. Here I invoke the second one, which checks for recent GitHub PRs and issues and recommends what to do with them. It reviews recent issues and PRs, then lists the key items from the past 14 days with recommended actions: merge, prioritize, close, or leave for later. To recap, you use the agent as usual, and MemSearch records the conversations as Markdown journals. The background pass distills reusable workflows from those journals into candidate skills. You then review the candidates and decide which ones to install. This creates a feedback loop. Daily use creates new memory, and that memory helps skills evolve over time. The next cycle can refine the same workflow again.